Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. When you send Bitcoins to the wrong address, you know that it is no longer possible to cancel such a transaction. Googling is no help to us in this matter. But if I tell you that undoing a transaction on the Bitcoin network is possible, this can't be happening, but it's still possible. Replace by fee is a function by which you can cancel a transaction. I will tell you about it in this review. Non-custodial crypto wallet Blenderwallet has added the function cancellation of transaction replaced by fee to its regular functionality. Blenderwallet is a wallet from a large blender.io. The mixer is a service for ensuring anonymity of transactions in the blockchain network. Because the blockchain is transparent, you can easily track all transactions. Mixer destroys links between wallets and transactions after the mixer can no longer be traced. Replace by fee mechanism allows you to cancel an unconfirmed outgoing transaction. The cancelled transaction is returned to you minus the fee. Here's the ledger wallet that reports on bitcoins received. This is what happens after you click cancel transactions. There are a number of limitations. You cannot cancel a transaction if the transaction was not initiated by you. If the transaction is incoming for you, the transaction already has one or more confirmations. The transaction was not flagged as RBF, or the amount was not enough to increase the network fee. Canceling a transaction may not work as well as any other replacement with RBF. The original transaction can be confirmed and the new transaction rejected if the miner manages to take the original transaction into the block before the second transaction appears in the network. The replace by fee mechanism is very useful if you send funds to fraudsters or to the wrong address. Even notifications are used to easily track the status of a transaction in the Blenderwallet. Blenderwallet is not a custodial crypto wallet that provides anonymity to its users. For the convenience of users, the wallet is available in two versions: for browsers and for mobile devices and smartphones. Wallet supports all types of Bitcoin addresses, including SegWit addresses which provide higher speed and lower cost of transactions. Blender.io has been provided anonymity to its users' transactions for 3 years now, making transfers between Bitcoin addresses anonymous and secure. The service allows you to send to multiple recipients in a single transaction, use favorite addresses, and tag transaction for faster navigation. The service allows you to use the received Bitcoins immediately, without waiting for their confirmation. The Blenderwallet project team managed to create a very convenient and useful wallet. The replace by fee mechanism will be useful for you in case you have sent your bitcoins to scammers or have the wrong address. Canceling a transaction solved this problem with just one click, thanks to the Blenderwallet. But remember that this function can be used by scammers. To be safe, always wait for one confirmation of the transaction. Remember, this video is an introductory and only you are personally responsible for your own actions. I will leave information about the Blenderwallet in the description below this video. Subscribe to my channel. Get rich. Bye.